Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda if this is your first time here, and today I will be showing you how to achieve this Valentine's Day look. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We are going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. So I'm going to start off with my Sigma E40 blending brush, and I am going to dip into, let's go into this red color here. Back and forth swiper motions and just kind of get that color nice and blended in. And we're gonna dip into this darker color right here. We're gonna place that into the crease. We're taking buns again, and we're gonna be lining our lower lash line with it. We're going to be using the E40 again, and we're just going to dip into this lighter color up here. And we're just going to put that above this color to kind of soften it up a little bit. We're just going to take the Kat Von D High Voltage Eye Primer and use our cream color, and we're going to cut our crease. So let's just go ahead and take a little bit on there. Now that we've cut our crease, we're going to go ahead and take our E25 blending brush again. We're going to add a little bit more of that buns color, and we're just going to be applying that at the outer edge just to kind of blend it in with that concealer. We're going to take that shading brush again, flicking the color buns inward to mesh those two colors together. And it is a shine veil, and you just add it on top of your eyeshadow, and it makes it really shiny. So we're going to go ahead and apply this. We're just going to take the color Faint and blend those two colors together. When you're done with your eyeliner, you can go ahead and curl your lashes with your favorite curler. Today we're going to be using the Bad Gal Bank Benefit Mascara. And we're just gonna coat our eyelashes. We're going to wiggle at the base, and then when we get to the top, we're just gonna flick it out. Do your bottom lashes as well. So this is the final look. I put on some LillyLashes Goddess. I really like the LillyLashes Goddess because they just kind of flare out on the end. They're really pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!